right, hey everybody, guys, how y'all doing out there? Welcome one, welcome all. Hello, hello, hello. All right, let's take a look and see what we got here. I'm just gonna buzz through this really quick. Just got back, big family day. We're out all day. I am actually, dude, I've got 100 freaking messages. I've got 100 messages I gotta go through, and I will work on that tonight. What do we got going on? All right, so listen, let's just break this down real quick. I do want to add one indicator onto here. Let me get this. Where is it at? There it is. All right. Oops. How did I get two of them on there? All right. So I want to just go through this really quick. So listen, we got this. We got this 12-hour cross between the 30 and the 50. Right? The bulls had this double bottom-ish. Now you could see this double bottom on a couple timelines, on a couple different exchanges, and a couple you couldn't. So you could also wedge this thing up. So I kind of wedged it. Now you definitely blew out that wedge, right? You blew the wedge out right there, but you were unable to top out. So now all this did was just make a big, ugly bear wedge, right? This just made a big, ugly. This is no bueno, right? So there's your double top, couldn't break over, retraced all the way back down. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to, or an inside bar, and let me see if I can get that in here. And we're going to go like this, bear flag, right? So bear flag, so we got this bear flag here. So we just basically created a big bear flag. Just bouncing around inside this channel. This is just ranging top to side, top to bottom here. Now we had this bull cross, and it just got completely slapped down. Got completely slapped down right here by the 100, 200 MA 3-day cross. And we had one of the guys on there say, "Hey, Vamp, can you please look back and tell me?" And I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to make sure we get the 3-day. There's our 3-day. Still got a long call on our 3-day. Still ran $1,000. Gotta love the long call on this sucker. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to 2014. Right? Go 3-day. Okay, so I want to go all the way back here. The last time we had the same cross, right? Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, hey, my cross over here. There it is. All right, let's get rid of the Gaussian trend line. I want to get rid of the Gauss for a second. All right, so here is there's our 100 and our 200 MA cross, and this did cross, right? This is a cross. This is confirmed. That's crossed right there. So we did get the confirmation on the cross. It is putting the smackdown on this, right? So the smackdown is kind of just getting going. I'm going to go over here. And I want to do the same thing. I want to look at where this cross happened. There's the cross right there. Now, people are like, well, it wasn't that much, Vamp. It wasn't that much of a retrace. So let's go in here, and I just want to look at what kind of a retrace this had on it. And where are we at? Let me pull this up here. I'm going to price range it. So I'm going to price range it. It was basically 17%. Right? And let's see what we got here. So 17.69% would be right in there, 3,500-ish, right? So if we got a very similar retrace, the same kind of retrace we got back here, you know, we'd be looking at 17% possibly for that, for the retrace to get slapped down right there. Now this did happen right on the line. So that happened right after the cross. Okay, so I want to go up. Let's look right after the cross. So there it is. So look, now I would start this here, right? I would start this right here. And I would put that there. Right now, that's if you retrace back the full 17%. I'm not saying you can't. I'm not saying you will. but I'm just saying if you do retrace up to 17%, this would be your retrace line right there. 3100-ish, you know, you got a lot of support in here. You got anywhere from 32 to 3100. If this bear cross does play out, you would have that kind of a retrace right there. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go, let's do this. Let me go, where's that call? There's a call out. All right. Last time the 3-day 100, 200 bear cross happened. The PA retraced 17 to 18%. Okay, so that would put us right there. All right, and that's so this is I just want you to just keep an eye on this as we're going through here, because that's what you got. You got that ugly cross. Now I want to go ahead and let's take a look at the weekly cross. Okay, let me pull this up right here. Actually, let's do this. I want to take this, copy, I'll cut that out of there. Leave that there though. I want to pull this over here. There it is. Okay. About last. Okay, so we're going to say that's from 3200 to 3050. Okay. There's that. All right. And then there's the weekly right there. So there's our weekly 100, 30 and 100. And I'm going to go and I'm going to do the same damn thing. So I'm going to go over here. We're going to go back and bring this up to the weekly. Pull that out. Go to the weekly. G. Okay, so there's the cross right there. And we still have, there's the cross right there. We still haven't had that cross. So that cross doesn't happen till Sunday. So on Sunday we will get that cross right there. Okay, now what's interesting is, look, we're under the weekly 7 moving average here. We're way under it, right? Then it pulled all the way up. I mean, we went way up. And then the cross just smashed it all the way back down. Now this cross really only smashed it back down to about there, right? So it looks like we jumped over, then the cross hit it. You had a pretty good range. Now you got a long call on that also, on that weekly candle right there after that did cross, but I still want to get the range of this candle. And I don't know if I should take from here to here, right? 24%. Or I should take from here to here. It's that 17%. So it's about the same. So look, it's about the same right there. Right? It's about the same. So right now we're way up here. Oh no, sorry. And let me pull this back. So we're right there. So wherever we're at, it's about 17. Yeah, I mean, that's about the same. So it's about 17% on that, right? Let me pull this back. There's the cross. Slap that whole wick all the way back down. Slapped it all the way down to there. Yeah, so 17%. That looks good. Then you got a bullish move out of that. So you You didn't make a new lower low, right? You did not make a new lower low also right before that bullish cross. You were, yeah, so this is about right. So look, you're under that. Nope, I take it back. We're on the 7MA right now. So we're actually on the 7MA. We have a little more strength this time. On the 3-day, so here's your 3-day, your 100, 200 cross today on the 3-day. And that's it. Yep, the weekly closes on Sunday. So listen, it's going to be a double whammy right here with these moving averages. You're basically just going to get a double whammy out of both these moving averages, and that I don't. And then we just, so with the 3-day just closed, then you're going to get the weekly to close right after that. Other than that, we really don't have any other higher time frame close. I mean, a weekly is a lot. It's a big time frame to have a significant cross on. It's a very big timeline to have some kind of significant cross. I don't even think we can do anything on the monthlies, right? So there's a monthly cross. Let's take a look at that. So there's the monthly 1, 2. So next week, you're going to have that cross all the way over here on the monthly. Like, holy shooting bejesus, right? Okay? So holy bejesus. Let's go over here and see if we can even have a monthly cross, right? Alt-G. I want to thank Peak for this. Okay, so there is the monthly cross. Yeah, look at that. That is pretty darn ugly right there. Okay, so we're going to pull that up. All right, let's get a measurement of this. So that monthly cross was 41% from the top. Okay, that monthly cross is 41% from the top of the price action. Okay, that was after. So whatever you had after, that's 41% after that. So, oh, Jesus, Lord Christ, help us all, okay? So we'll be here, and then the next, no, we won't cross, so that's January, February. It won't cross till March. It'll be crossed in March, unless we get a deeper dive. Right, so I would put that as possibly, that would possibly give us, it just depends on where we're at in the price action at that time. And give it un momento. And so we're going to have a monthly bear cross in March, if not February, depending on the price action. And the PA fell 41%. All right. Okay, we got that. All right, let's dig in a little deeper here. Okay, so we're good with that. And where else are we? No, that's it. I think we're good. I really don't have anything else to add. The only thing is we just went into this bear flag right here. That's really all. I don't see anything else here. I don't see anything else here. I see nothing. Oh, Lyle, I don't want to say minus 2,000. I don't. I want to be a little over 2K, please. I'm really gonna suck if we fall that far. All right, let's take a look at our MACD. Our MACD is still continuing to close out. All right, MACD still continuing to close out bearish here. We are in a bearish trend. We did just nose down again. Look at our bounce off of this 2014 support line, right? There's there's that 2014 support. Now, here's the last time we bounced off right here. There was where we bounced off. That's where we found baby Jesus right after this bounce. So kind of, kind of everything's a little significant. I want to go back here, see if we can find where is, oh, sorry, this is the 12-hour. What do I got? The 3-day here. Go to the 3-day. Jesus Christ. Yeah, look, we're trending up with the cross on the monthly, right? There's back in the day right there. Okay. So there's baby bull Jesus right there. So baby bull Jesus was a higher low. So we put in a higher low for baby bull Jesus, right? Because this is where baby bull Jesus was on the standard MACD, right here, January. So it was a higher low. So this is on course to put in a higher low, right? If this rolled over and we did a higher low and then just like one more time rolled over and then rolled back up, that would be absolutely perfect. Okay, now we did break bullish over here for the first time on the 3-day chart. We actually did break bullish. Let's go back over and take a look at what happened with baby bull Jesus. Yeah, right before. See, so we went up. We rolled up for a little while, and then we moved down. Now this is a 3-day chart, so this took a long time right there. That moved sideways for a long time before it finally fell out. So let's see what happens here. Very interesting. Okay, I'm going to take this back to 12 hours. There we go. Yeah, 12 hours looking to roll over. One more time. All right, MACD did break. Look, we broke that second line. So we did break the bear line, the bull bear trade line on this. Now a confirmation of being bearish. So this is a confirmed, for me, this is confirmed bear MACD. Break on the bubble chart. I mean, to me, that's bearish. Now, the good news is, I mean, we're plummeting down so fast. This just doesn't look like it's got, this is good. You covered a lot of distance. This means that, you could come down a little bit deeper, hit a bounce down here. We're going to have to see how well this plays out, see if we get stopped a little bit. Oops. Take a look at our MACD. I don't like this MACD. This is my bubble chart, even though this is my bubble chart. Oh, God, you're going to love this, guys. You're going to absolutely love this. Hold on. Where's it at? Sorry, I got to reset the charts. CMF. Ooh. Okay, here we go. All right. So now, guys, you can look at this. Look at the arrow action on this. Right? Look at the arrow action on this. Boom, up, down. All right, so we are testing. I mean, we are on, okay, trolls. I'm sliding this over just so I don't get any trolls. Okay, look at that bounce. Oh my God. If this breaks through, this is going to be a giant head and shoulders pattern that I literally called out on December 21st. I called that pattern out December 21st when we were still going down right here. This looks like it is going to make a big, if this breaks through this support, okay, if we rip through this support, this is where you're going to be headed. You're going to head all the way back down here. Right, this sure looks like an inverse head and shoulders right here. No shit Last support. Not kidding. Or new lower low. Okay, how far would this have to? Yeah, I don't want to say new lower low. Let's go 3,200 to 3050. Right? 3,200 to 3050. All right, I was looking for something. I didn't see what I look like. Okay, so I'm going to set an alarm. Okay, alarm set. Okay, so I set an alarm right here. I set an alarm at roughly 45. That would show me a break of the trend line. Now this trend line has got to hold for the bulls. The bulls have got to hold that trend line. Okay, so this is one of the things we said. We said maybe this sees the death cross on the 3100 that's coming now in less days, right? So this is our weekly. This comes in today's Thursday. Say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days. 3 days, is that right? 3 days? Right? Maybe this sees this death cross that's coming in 3 days. Okay, let's take a look over here. All right, yep. All right, so we're looking good. So this looks like, yep, a 3-leg down. Gonna be really hard to make a head and shoulders at this point unless we seriously like bounce up, down, bounce again. And bouncing out of here, I mean, you're gonna have to really put some energy into this to bounce out of here, right? Really gonna have to put some energy in this thing to bounce out of here. Maybe a double top on the RSI right here. I mean, I could see this dropping down and then coming up one more time, right? Maybe we duck down, come up one more time, and then down again. But we see that our RSI is just barely hanging on also. This does have a confirmed bear break. So we do have a confirmed bear break here, and we're going to go take a look at that a little bit. WMI. So I want to just peek at this for 1 second. Give me a moment, Tito people. All right. So daily bear break there. Kind of plateaued out and then did take a big dive. Okay. So we made a higher high on the indicator with a lower price action. Right? A higher high on the indicator with lower price action. I'm pretty sure okay, so we got a lower high on the price action. This is the macro now. There's our lower high on the price, higher high on the, yeah. Hmm. All right, sorry guys, I'm taking a long time for this. Okay. So this is macro. All right, sorry guys. Okay, so I want to take a look at one more thing. Nothing. 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 Okay, I really don't see anything else. Oh, I want to see this. Damn, good. Still got a little bit more to go. I said this 3650, 3700-ish, then bounce. Where are we at right now in our price action? I can't even see. 37.34. We got just a little bit more to go before we get that bounce. Right? A little bit more to go. Okay. I'm sorry, people. This looks like a freaking bear flag. That looks like a bear flag to me. Bear cross coming on the 4-hour. Okay, give me one last chart. All right. Okay, so this is the last time you had a green 4 right there. Snap through. You had a green 3. Then it died to a red 1. Green 4. This is the only time you held up a green 4. Green 4 or here. Right there. And then you flashed a red 1. Right? Now, usually if you had this green 3, it breaks pretty much every time it breaks. No, still held a green 3. Right? Look, you're right on the 7 MA. You break the 7 MA. I'm going to have to see how this thing closes out right here. All right, and I think that's it. I'm just going to plop this up right here. All right. Hey, Marco. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, no need to be afraid. I like the bat. The bat's very nice. Yep, the wedge looks nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like that. I like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I agree with the 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not so much with the down though. Like, oh yeah, I guess if you did this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So this would be an A. Oh, you did. What do? You did a. If you did an A, and then a C wave maybe. Like if this was a B, but I'd prefer if this is a ABC right here. or first this is an ABC coming down because this is a 5 wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because on a 5 wave, if this is your ABC up, it's hard to do this. How do you do this? Look, is that A, B, and then you start your A at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your A wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Baby little A wave. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your C wave. Is that what this is? This is your A wave, B wave, C wave, or is this A? Is this a 1, 2, super long as 3, 4, then your 5 wave, right? Like this is your 3 from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, extended wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 4 could be a B right here. The 4 could be a B. A, B, C correction. Or you got to count this out. This is an A and a B. It's a little mini midget A, B with an impulse wave C. So I would count it out 2 different ways. Send me one with an A, B, and then this is a giant wave C. And then another one with this is your 5 you have up here. And this is A, B, C, right? And then you're looking for your 5 wave up. Good job, Marco. Looking good. All right, everybody. With that being on the table, right? That's it. That's it. So we have a couple counts. Marco, can you send me both those counts, those new counts I just sent you? I'd love to have both those counts. Oh, one more chart. One more chart. Uno más chartes. Going down to the 2-day. All right, so here's our 2-day chart, right? What did we say? What did we talk about, peoples? That's it. We are below the 2-day, 7MA, right? So here's our 2-day chart. So we're going to put a brand new little thinker bubble in there. Breaking the All right, so if this does break, this is going to hurt because this is going to throw you into a bear, just like your RSI. So your RSI breaks, this breaks, that's it. I mean, if this breaks, this is your last chance. You're on the 7MA, right? Okay. All right, where the Dow Jones closed today? God damn. God damn. 1,000-point bounce. God damn. Jesus Lord. God damn. 1,000-point bounce. Holy Jesus. Holy bounce of rammies. All right, everybody. That's it. I think we're just here. We're just we're actually under the 7 MA on the 2-day right now. So I think the 7 MA is right up here. Gotta go take a look at the daily. Give me the mirror. Third test on this on the 7 MA, on the 30 MA. All right, let's go. I want to go look at the 30 MA on the daily. See how strong this bad boy is, especially on big full-fledged bounces. Nothing, ripped through it. Nice bounce off it. Worked his support just fine there. Nothing, just ripped right through it. I held it down. Yeah, you know, nothing. Nothing. Yeah. I mean, so-and-so. Yeah. Okay. I mean, you know, it's worked as good support and resistance. You just got to test it 3 times, though. All right. That's it. Still trapped in the range. All right. Summary. Still trapped in the wedge or flag that looks bearish still. The hope All right, there we go. Oh, thanks, Marco. Let me see what you got, buddy. Yes, yep. So A, B, so you have to count down 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like it's a 5. So what you might do is, yeah, so this would be like an ABC, but you might be able to count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And if this breaks up, this would be your 4 wave, then your 5 wave down. So you probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down right there. I like that. But then you got to cut out one more. This is got to be your ABC wave right here. Because if this is impulsive, that it kind of looks impulsive right here. This is starting to look impulsive, right? 1, 2, so wave 3, 4, 5. This is starting to look impulsive. You got to go A, B. This is your C wave. Once again, A, B. This is your C wave, and this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks good. But I'd have both those counts on there, buddy. I'd have both those counts on there. All right, everyone. I am done. That's it. I'm gonna go take it easy. I had a good day. We went ice skating, went out, did a bunch of fun things, had some good family time. I just want to say thank you all so much. Really appreciate you all being here. Hope you all have a happy holidays. Go out, kiss that loved one, do those nice things. And then, yeah, let's all, wait, Marco's got one more chart. Take a look at Marco's chart here. Oops, sorry, Marco, I opened it up in the wrong one. Give me a second, buddy. Marco, no, so this would be A, B, and then this would be your C wave right here. So this would be your A, then B, and this would be A, and well, then your count goes all the way up. Now, because this would be C right here, Marco, this would be your C. And this would be an impulsive wave down. This would be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? So this would be A, the A to here, then B to here, then this B would be your C. I know it's crazy. I agree. We just got to have that option. A, B, C to the top, and then this would be that would be complete your ABC retrace. Then this would be your new impulse wave down. If not, this would be your A. This would be like your A, just like this. That's right, B, and then you're looking for your C impulse wave down. Nope, you're good. You're good, buddy. Yes, there you go. Yep, A, B, C. That's correct. Yep. And then count your 5 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that plays out absolutely perfect. Look at it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your first wave, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, actually, go 1, 2, 3, 4, wave 5 of 3. And then this is your correction. And then this would be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, extended wave 5 to the top of C. Now we give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be your end of C. And then you'd start your retrace back down as an impulse wave. So this is start back down as an impulse wave, but this right here would be an A, B, C, D, E channel. So you go A, B, C, D, looking for the failure wave out. Just like that. You have it drawn perfect. Right? But so you got A, B, C, D, E this up. So remember, A, B, C, D, E for the failure wave, then down. And then this would be an impulse wave down. Oh, he's got it. God, you're quick, Marco. I like you, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, yeah, the same thing. Same chart. Yep, you're close. You're really close here. And then count your 5 wave internal here. Could you do that real quick? Throw your 5 wave internally. And then right here, do this as an A, B, C, D, E. He's almost got it. He's almost got it. You got it, Marco. Hey, Tim, I'm on the East Coast, Nevada. Viva Las Vegas. Baby Bull Jesus 2019. That's right, Connect. All right, I think we lost Marco. I think he's trying to count out. If he gets his chart, I'm going to drop it in. I'll do it for him if he can't do it. All right, he's got it. There we go. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. I like it. Okay. And then this would be your greater 5 wave. This C wave would be your greater 5 wave. And then now this right here, see this ABC, this isn't an ABC right here. This needs to be an A, B, C, D, E. Got it? Got it? This needs to be A, B, C, D. Sorry. A, B, C, D, E, failure wave. You got it. That looks really good. Yes, perfect. Okay. And then title this. This should be your 5 wave. So this would be, yeah, you don't really need, you don't get rid of the impulsive count. You can leave the impulsive counts in here as minutes, but then put more of a macro count to 1, 2. This is your 3 right here. This is your 4, and this is your 5 as a macro. Because you need a macro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to show that finished C wave. And this looks perfect. Yeah, this is a really good one. Very nice. Yep. All right, everybody. Excellent job. Yeah, Marco's knocking it out of the park for us here. Yeah, he's got it. All right. Thank you. Jesus, Marco. Dude, nice job. Nice hustle on the charts, buddy. All right. Look too good to be a wave 2. Yes, yes, yes. I like that. That's perfect. That's good. This looks perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So this could either be your bullish. So right here you have this label as a bull count because you wouldn't label this as an ABC. You would label this as, so this would be, you need to denote this bull count. And then you need to have a second one that's your bear count, that this is the end of wave 5. And now you're doing, this would be your end of your correction. And now you're doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this could be your, if you started here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This you're looking for your, this is your wave 4 in here of this first wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is some kind of a correction wave. Looking for, this could be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. So then you'd have another wave up here as an expanded flat. So this would come to here, then you'd have an expanded flat up to like 4,400 or something like that. So then you'd have a bounce off here. But this is perfect. Copy. All right, everybody. Great job. Yes, Vamp is short. Yeah, Vamp is short. Yep. I am holding on to a short because of this 3-day right here. I don't like the 3-day. Sorry, no likey. No likey the 3-day. And I don't like this either. I don't like this either. Last time this retraced, this was ugly. And then, so I don't like either one of those. All right, and yep, and that's it. All right, everybody, thank you so much. Thank you, Marco. Great job, buddy. Thank you all for being here. Really appreciate it. Sorry for the, try to keep this quick. Can never keep these damn things quick enough, all right? And everybody have a good holiday. I am the Vamp. We are from Until 1 Mil. I am out.